Syspro proudly presents Harmony, the next generation social platform embedded into Syspro ERP. What does Harmony look like? As with everything in Harmony, the profile is all about you. It shows your beats. In other words, the things that are important for you to know and what you may have missed. With Harmony, you can opt in to follow important information such as stock codes, suppliers, sales orders, and the like. The trending chart graphically shows you what is trending in the form of a bubble chart. Everything you need to know about a customer or item is intelligently pushed to you and surfaces on your newsfeed. With Harmony, you are automatically kept in the loop without having to go into the system to retrieve information. Harmony also lets you post conversation posts like you would on Facebook or Twitter, with the use of @ and hashtags. The newsfeed pane is auto-populated with conversations with relevant information that's being followed. Harmony from Syspro, social ERP that's got everyone talking.